Is it okay now? Yeah. Yes. Can I see your same place? Yeah, obviously this is only for this private group session. So can I visible only from the group? Already I am logging from my Lappy and my phone on our private group. Yes, I am both two different cameras because I am one from my Lappy and one another my phone. So that's why you are seeing a different place. Yes, not profile on my group. Yeah, you all are seeing on my from my group, right? Yeah, in both two places, but just I am going off from laptop, so you can see only from my phone. Yeah, okay, now I am off from my laptop and start from my workstation. Okay, bye bye everyone. শুনছো? তুমি নিয়ে যাও, তুমি তোমার ফোন থেকে দেখো তো। Okay, hello everyone. Now can I see from only one place? Yes, can visible everything? No, not you are not off from group. I am already live on from my group, so you can see in the group in one place, right? You can see me in a one place, right? Hi Poonam. Just give me the clear vision that from which place you can see me, in a one place or two place, in from our group. Can I see from the free innovative ideas of the enticing creation group? Can I visible from this group? Can I visible my hand in this group? Okay, Shruti, thanks a lot, dear. Yeah, thanks Varagabi. Thanks a lot. Yes, now I am okay. So let's start. Yeah, obviously you all are in the group, and now we'll start our session. And you all already know the all details of the rules. so I am not again the repeat it. So just straight go away with our session. First I will show you some of my creation. Already I have posted, but a few are there, and I am already few are created after that. So these are some sample. I just made it with some experiment. It's a first I am telling what is wax painting. There is two different type of wax painting. It's cold wax and hot wax. So today we are doing with cold wax, not hot wax. It's very lengthy and very advanced technique. So we are today we are doing this cold wax. Cold wax, it's very simple and easy process. Any type of wax like candle in your home, in our each and every home we have some candles, like small candles for birthdays or for any purpose. So we can do with this, and I will show you. So this is what I am doing. I just this is a tea light. And one more thing, hi everyone. After this session I will answer your every queries and every questions. So just I am telling all thing, and if you have any queries, just written up in comment section. So this is a tea light candle, we know, and I just lighten up, and after melted this wax and drop it on this canvas page. This is my canvas page, normal canvas page, or you can use with any canvas sheet just coming in the market. After over lockdown you can get it from the craft shop. So this is a canvas sheet. So I can do with I am doing with this hot wax and drop it over here and there randomly, and after dry just paint over the acrylic paint with acrylic paint. So this is my experiment. This is just like abstract painting, you can say, or you can do it like that. This is also same thing, just randomly spread this wax and paint with acrylic paint. Can you see this is a canvas sheet. Next one, this is also a canvas sheet. I am drawing, I am painting on this sheet, and this technique I will show today, not in canvas sheet, in another on another surface. So this one, and you already seen in the pics. I am doing with acrylic paint, and what I am doing, just randomly stripe with masking tape, or you can do with any type of tape, cello tape. Just tape it randomly, and in the blank space you just rub the candles, and after I am spread the paints and leave the tape. And after I am thinking just not leave this space like blank, so color in this space. This is a watercolor sheet I am doing on this, also doing a same process. And this is 260 GSM watercolor sheet. These all are doing on watercolor sheet but different GSM. This is also 260 GSM. This is a 100 GSM. This is a 300 GSM, and this is also a 260 GSM. So these all are watercolor paper and doing with the same process. And also you can learn today with how to create a watercolor effect with acrylic paint. So two things you can learn today. Also I am doing on some canvas board. This is square canvas board and this is flower shape canvas board. So I am doing it. This is an abstract way of dropping the candles, and this is a spread the candles technique. These both are different. So can you like it? Can I forward the tutorial? Are you like these paintings and the technique of this process? Shall I go? Guys, give me some thumbs up or hands. Are you interested? Are you happy with this painting, and shall I go with this to showing you how to create these beauties? Some give me thumbs up or hearts. Okay, now okay, this is the watercolor sheet. This is Magnon. This is a brand of Magnon 1404. It's from actually I have got this someone. They are giving me as a kit. So this is very beautiful watercolor sheets. Different types of sheets are there and different shades of watercolor sheets with cold pressed cotton, and you can do with different type of work on this. And also you can get different GSM also. Someone 200, someone 100, 260 or 300 GSM with different shades, different ingredients. This is a soft pastel charcoal pencil, and this is drawing sketch charcoal pastel ink. This is watercolor, gauze ink, acrylic. But I am not going with this specification. I always love watercolor sheet, so I am doing anything on this. So you can use any type of watercolor sheet what you have now. We know already the lockdown situation, so very limited supplies we have now. So just what you have you will do, or after you can do also over the lockdown. So already I have draw some pics and tape the edges for my borders with doctor's tape. Let me show you. This is the doctor's tape. You can use any type of tape or masking tape. So for getting some borders, I am doing this, and let's start. I am doing with acrylic colors, Fevicryl acrylic sunflower kit. You have any whatever you have, you can do with these acrylic colors. So I am choosing some colors. So first I have some different numbers brush. You can use any numbers brush what will be comfort with you. So I have these candles, just easy available candle, and it is available in our each and every house. And some birthday candles. This is my daughter's birthday candles. So just keep it few of them. So first what I will Am I visible? Is clear now? I am doing for my better grip. So start with rub the candles on the background. Just randomly I am spread this candle. Sorry guys, bear with me. When I am working, I am not so much talking, so just concentrate on my work. So I am sure you are not boring. So you can randomly spread these candles, not to worry for the perfection. You can do with this candle also on the main peaks. Sometimes I am doing with this one, but it's very delicate when you are pressure too much, just broke it. I'm not so much pressurized with perfection, because I want some place not for works. It's a very interesting project. It's and already available in every home. You can teach your kids also. Definitely I'm gonna sure they loved it. This is a pink shade. This is a purple, deep purple. This is a lemon yellow, and this is a brown, and this is a light green. You can use any type of colors, any type of shades, but today I am showing with acrylic paint. I am put up some colors on my craft mat. Okay, green I will later use. So first of all, you can spread the water or just doing with directly with water and colors. So first I will I need more water to create for my surface this effect. And already we know where we spread the wax, the water and the color are not stable there. I'm not worried about my paintings. Just spread the colors. I'm not so much perfect about drawing or paint this color effect. I know some of you are better grip about the color means paintings and drawings. I am take some white also. Just a minute. This is a heat gun, but definitely you have to aware of about this heat, because candle already when it will melted, it is damage your paintings. So not to heat in one place. For faster work, I will always use this heat gun, but rather I am not using, just wait for natural drying. just shade with brown. After that I am darken with some, adding some little bit black or green for more dark and light shade. It not easy like normal paintings, watercolor or any type of paintings. It's a wax painting, so we know the texture not a coming with easy way. This is a texture with your colors and combine with your colors and with your wax, and after that you will get this texture, the waxy, what can I say, just rough texture. Just time randomly outlines drawing. After that you can see the difference. Where the wax is not there, the color is perfectly add on the paper. Those who are late joining, I'm already started the wax painting. So hi everyone, already start it, and I am doing with colors. So after over the session you can see the recorded video, and what you want to ask, just leave the comment, I will answer it. So guys, are you enjoying? Give me some hi-fi or thumbs up, some hearts. So I am getting know that you will like or not, or what about this art. I am so late talking person, so maybe I am not so much talkative, but try to explain the process. Just over the first shade. After that I am trying to, oops, you have to very careful, otherwise the colors are mixing. Okay, this now the turn is switch on the heat gun. Always careful with this heat gun, otherwise your candles are melt and you are getting a disaster. So for the live session I am using it, otherwise I am not. I'm just leave for natural drying. Last night also I am creating some sample. This one, just for natural drying. I am waiting for till the 2 a.m. I am starting with this painting near about 11:30, and till 2 a.m. I finish my project, only for the natural drying. So once again I am showing all the pics over the session. It's not a easy painting, cause taking time to get your perfect shades, perfect pictures. So maybe it will take time, but I will try to finish as soon as always you need to too much water in your painting. Acrylic colors always dry fast fast in. It's very fast to dry, so always try, if you color it or try to shading, make it with very fast. Are you enjoying? Guys, give me some thumbs up or hearts or say something. What you like? What do you think about this painting? Are you enjoying or not? I'm getting motivated from your comments. And some interesting already waiting for you over the session, I will tell. Some brown, green, black, and dark. Thank you, Poonam. Hope after the session you will try. Guys, are you enjoying? Maybe you are thinking I am not so much talking. Actually, I am concentrate on my work. So just after over the session I will explain all your queries. In this painting we didn't want so much perfection. This is the main thing of this painting, the texture of wax. Oops, I missed some leaves. place is left. Okay, here the almost we there, the finish line. there is a painting, still little bit wet, but it's not a problem. So what are you thinking? Isn't so gorgeous? The effect of the wax, the background effect, the lemon, the leaves, the bark of the tree, isn't so interesting? The wax painting effect. Now I am switch on front camera. Okay, let me show you the close-up look. What are you say, dear? Just a moment, I am sorry, I am showing who are late join the video. I am showing the rest of painting, what I am making. This is one of the paintings. This is I am trying on canvas sheet. I am trying this like a abstract painting. This one of painting already you have seen. It's also on a watercolor sheet. This is also on a watercolor sheet. This is also the same thing. It's a watercolor sheet. What today we are doing, it's the same thing. This is a canvas sheet and this is a watercolor sheet. And oops, sorry. This both are canvas base. This abstract doing with wax, melted wax, and this is a spread technique what we are doing. So guys, are you enjoying? What do you say? Give me some thumbs up or loves. Now asking me your questions. Let me flip the camera. So guys, tell me, have you any question? Are you interested? Are you enjoying? Thank you, Poonam. So, what are you saying about the painting? Okay, I am not getting any questions, so there is so I am now get off. If you have not any question, so thank you so much watching this session, and I am telling the interesting thing. after over the session in a posting section. So hi Kritika. So who are missed it, now you can see the pre-recorded video, and if you have any question just ask me in a comment section, I will answer it. So thank you so much, thanks a lot each and everyone to enjoying this session and joining with us. Okay, bye bye.